because the rejection ratio was very high. The environment there was quite anxious and nervous. It was great because the staff was very supportive. They helped me through each and every step. Network is something which will lead you a good job or internship. Start your preparation in the final semester or final year itself, like giving the exams of IELTS or GRE.
Hello guys, welcome to Aris Overseas and we have another visa approval for fall 2025. Introducing Isha Patel.
Hello.
So Isha, first of all, congratulations. How do you feel?
Thank you so much. I am glad that I got the visa because the rejection ratio was very high. So yeah, I am glad.
So Isha, here is my first question. What university you selected and why you selected it?
I have selected UTD, University of Texas at Dallas, and the major reason why I selected this university because it has an excellent funding research area. The major reason why I have selected UTD because it is well reputed in the research field, mainly in the field of my area. In fact, they have also got the funding from the National Science Foundations and the location of the university at Richardson, Dallas, which is the IT hub. So yes, I selected for this reason.
So which course are you gonna pursue?
I'm going to pursue Master in Computer Science.
And what are your profile here in India?
Okay, currently I'm in the final semester of my BTech Computer Engineering. I'm pursuing my BTech from CVM University and I have given IELTS. Overall, I secured overall 7 band and also given an exam of GRE.
That's a very nice profile. How was your overall experience in interview at US Embassy?
I think it's quite good, maybe because I got the visa, but yes, the environment there was quite anxious and nervous, but also depends on the officer how they welcomes you or how they ask the question, if they are jolly or they are so angry or like that.
So it depends on environment too.
Yes, majorly depends on that.
Which is your dream company where you wanna work?
I don't have any dream company, but yeah, I would like to work as a research assistant or cloud solution architect in a well-known IT company.
Okay, that's pretty good. Why did you choose Texas over another states?
Like I mentioned earlier, I am going in the Dallas, and my major reason why going to Texas is because it has a growing tech hub. More than 500 companies, our headquarters are there, so I will get an internship opportunity or practical exposure while studies. So it will beneficial for my profile later on.
So Isha, what advice do you wanna give to students who are planning to pursue masters in USA?
Okay, the first advice I would like to give is start your preparation in the final semester or final year itself, like giving the exams of IELTS or GRE. So you can have enough time of preparation. Then research about your universities and courses which you wanna pursue, and have some practical exposure while in the India, so you can have a good professional network which will be very beneficial because network is something which will lead you a good job or internship.
And last question is, how was your experience with Aris Overseas?
It was great because the staff was very supportive. They helped me through each and every step. They have guided me very patiently and with the clarity because I was very confused between selecting the universities. So they gave me all the perspective which I should keep in my mind for selecting the universities. And of course, they helped me to get visa because the Dinesh sir, which was our visa interview guide, they have given a very nice tips to get the visa, and I have successfully get the visa.
Thank you Isha for sharing your experience and coming here for interview.
Most welcome.
Hey guys, if you like this video, do share to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Instagram page.